Alright, in this part of this video, I'll show you this transformation on reflection. So you can reflect an object about a line, about a point, and about a circle. So let's just do a simple demonstration. Let me take this polygon. Let me take a simple object. Let's take a rectangle, for example. Alright, so remember the instruction. When you place your mouse, it will tell you what to do on this corner. So as you place your mouse, I'm saying reflect object, select object to reflect the line of reflection. So for us to select an object to reflect, we need a line. So I'll prefer to take this segment line, not this one, so that I can easily make it dynamic in a way so that I can move this line about and it will show me how I will reflect it. So this is the line I want to use as my reflection mirror. So this is my mirror of reflection. So all you just need to do, just come here, click on reflection since I'm reflecting about a line, click on it, then select the object. Don't forget, always look at this place. Select the object and I want it to be reflected about this line. So it has appeared easily without any problem. So you can see it. So this is the line. So as I move this line about, so you can see it's affecting the reflection of the object, which is the image. So as I move it to this side, you see the object is being reflected to this side. As I change this line to the horizontal, you see, so it's being reflected about the horizontal. So with this, your children in your class, they will get you very well as you explain reflection to them. As you move it at an angle, you see it's reflecting just like that. So as you move it to the other side to show, so anyhow you move it, they will see the reflection. You can see it. That's one beauty of using Geogebra in your classroom. So that is always reflection, nothing more than that. So it's the same thing. If you want to reflect the same object about point, it's the same principle, but this time around it's a point that will determine the reflection of this. If you want to reflect it about a circle or about an arc, it's the same thing. Just get your point. Let me take a point here, or you get a circle. So I need the circle of, let's say, radius 2. So you can actually reflect this object about this point. Let me move the circle to this side. Let's see. So if you click on reflect about point, remember follow the instruction here in case you don't know what to do. Then click on the object, click on the point. You see it has been reflected on this side. So that means if this point move, it will affect this reflection of this object here. So this is the image. This is the point of reflection. It's the one that will determine where the object will stay as you reflect it. Just like this line determines where this the reflection of this object will stay, which is the image based on this line. See, you can also reflect about with the circle. All you just need to do, click on reflect about circle, click the object, click the circle. As you can see, it's being reflected but very small in this place. So this is not actually common in our classes. See, you can see the way it's being reflected and it's very small in that way. So that is all about reflection. See, that is all about reflection. You can try it in your class, manipulate it the way you want, do other things the way you want, and in that way your children will understand this topic as you teach it in your classroom. So that is that. So thank you for watching this video. Do have a nice day.